Thank you sa 100 subscribers. Panoorin nyo lang ako ng panoorin. Tama ba yun? Hey, kamusta? It's 13th of May at dito kami sa school ngayon. It's called Start Ahead. Nag-leave kami ng wife ko from work because it's enrollment day for the kids. No? Lumipat na kasi kami ng bahay. We're transferring the kids, actually si Dylan lang naman, to a different school. Ito, we're doing enrollment today and nagulat ako bigla may pumasok. Anyway, dito kami sa office ngayon ng school na papasukan ni Dylan and we're just waiting for her kasi inaasa siya. Bibo naman yung batang yun. Bida-bida, no? So hopefully everything goes well. We're just waiting for her to be done sa assessment niya. Yun, so tapos na kami mag-enroll. Ready na siya for the new school! Mahal! Tapos na kami sa isa, no? So, si Kuya naman, ang init sa Pilipinas. Alright, so, nakatapos na kami sa enrollment ng batang to. We're up to the next. Si Kuya naman, para tapos na lahat. Sabi ng magiging teacher mo, lahat daw ng sagot mo, I don't know. Okay tayo dyan, Dylan. Are you like your new school? Nice. You like the tuition fee, Mami?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back at home. Kain muna kami ng lunch. Tapos Kuya naman mamaya after lunch ang enrollment. I'll show you your new house. Lumipat na kami ng bahay, by the way. Kwentuhan ko kay mamaya. Alam mo ito, asawa ko, lagi itong may reklamo sa lahat ng prosesong ginagawa namin. School, mapa-gobyerno, pa-restaurant, lahat laging nagreklamo. Yan, pina-fill up lang ng form, galit na. Stop over kami, may nakita kaming bilihan ng avocado. Nagawa na. Ano maganda dito sa nilipatan namin? Ang lapit sa maraming bagay, no? Across this kalsada. You know, ang paborito kong bilihan ng burger, Minute Burger. 50 pesos, avocado. Tabang! Home. Sir, yun, natapos ang aming mahabang araw na pag-enroll sa mga bata. Aray! Bulsa! Buti naman, natapos ang enrollment. They're all set. Maghihintay na lang ng pasok sa June and sa July. Ayun nga, no? So nabanggit ko kanina, we transferred houses na. We're living in a new house for the longest time since my wife and I got married. Doon kami nagstay sa ancestral house nila. I guess kids are growing up. They are really growing up really fast. And we're sharing a house with my sister-in-law and my father-in-law. Malaki na na rin yung anak ni Ate Yai, my sister-in-law. Although malaki yung bahay, harmonious siya. Walang problema sa bahay, nandun kami nakatira. But I guess eventually you'll have to move out kasi kailangan din ng family mo nung magkaroon na ng sarili ng space. We decided actually dapat matagal na, may mga events lang na nangyayari sa buhay namin mag-asawa na hindi kami natutuloy lumipat, no? So but yun, fortunate enough this year, we were lucky enough to push through, bumukod. And I'm telling you, it's one of the best things of being husband and wife. Magkaroon kayo ng sariling inyo. Yeah, so how about I show you the house, ha? Yeah, just a quick tour. Nothing too fancy. We transferred last April 12. Hanggang ngayon, lalagay pa rin kami ng gamit. So don't expect too much. I just want to share that nagpupundar pa rin kami ng gamit para sa bahay. But it's nice to have our own. Even our kids are enjoying the house. And yeah, I'll show you around. Ako sa labas ngayon ng garahe namin. And as you can see, he has a really enough space for the garage. Pero hindi kasya si Uno dito yung pickup namin. Labas yung puwet. Let me take you around the house. Magaling neighborhood. Well, corner lot siya. Kaya maganda yung nakuha naming space. No? You can go around the house. Like literally around the house. There's Uno outside. Nandiyan sa labas. Diyan siya nakapark sa gilid ng bahay namin. Kasi hindi nga siya kasya sa garahe. So ayun yung laundry area. We have this really big garden sa corner ng bahay. Hindi ko pa siya ayos, but we're planning to landscape the area there. So sa lumbahay kasi may pine tree. By the way, this is just a rent house. No? Nag-rent na kami habang talagang naghihintay ng maayos yung bahay na bibili namin. Eh, dito muna kami kasi nga we need to have our own space. Then you can see, there's actually the main door there. And there's my motorbike. Hello! Wala yung pangalan. But meron kasi siyang sliding door dito. So nangyayari, instead yun ang main door sa kabila, dito na naging main door namin. Dito na pupasok ang mga bisita. So yan, welcome to our humble abode! Ganda, no? I guess one thing na kinonsider din namin ni wifey, yung space for visitors, no? Lalo pag bumibisita yung family namin. Since ano talaga both our sides are mabisita. Ano ba tawag dito? Family-oriented masyado. So we always have guests, I guess, family side friends, you know. So importante sa amin na may enough space para sa aming mga bisita. Pasok mo sa sliding main door, kitchen agad siya. Ay, uso na ata to no? Pero actually, yun yung plan talaga namin. Doon sa pinaplano namin bahay. Gusto namin pinaka-main na area for common area ay yung kitchen. We're lucky enough to find a place na may magandang space for guests sa dining area. We got this custom dining table sa Silang. Pinagawa lang namin siya. Nung naghanap kami kung saan kami pwedeng makakuha ng magandang deal for the dining table. Kasi I guess it's the one piece that makes the house nice. Dami nga nagtatanong kung saan na kinuha Sabi ko sa Italia.
Gago!
Pero sa Silang lang to. Sa Silang lang namin siya pinagawa. I forgot the name but I'll post it here. I'll just check with my wife kung ano yung pangalan ng supplier namin. Countertop here, di ba? Balak sana namin maglagay ng high chairs dyan but mukhang malabo na. Kasi gusto niya lagyan ng ano tawag doon? Buffet cabinets. No? Hindi ko alam yun. Sa asawa ko lang nalaman yun. So, very functional. And yung kitchen, there's the stove area. Yun. Okay naman. Pretty straightforward. So, I got this really small stock room here, no? Stock room siya, pero ginawa ko na siyang office. Init nga lang, no? Wala nga kasi bintana yung, kasi nga stock room siya. Pero gagawin ko siyang office. Hopefully, after summer, medyo malamig-lamig na. This is the sala area. Ayan. O, di ba? Nagpakabit na kami ng blinds. Ang gulo pa, no? But there's a TV rack. We bought that from Mandaue. Tatanggalin namin yan. Yan. Papalitan namin siya ng cabinets. Like what I said, still ongoing buying of stuff. So, unti-unti, buwan-buwan, pundar, ganun talaga. And yan, that's pretty much this sala area. Upstairs are 3 rooms. One for me and my wife, one for my kid, Javi, one for ang aming tagapag-alaga, mayordoma ng bahay. Pero yun, I'm not gonna go up and show you the rooms na. I think they're all upstairs resting. So, but let me show you the balcony, no? So, ngayong summer, pag sobrang init, doon ako tatrabaho. Sobrang init kasi pero ang lamig sa taas. Ayan, subukan natin umakyat. My wife is sleeping, so be quiet. Jesus. So ito, may balcony kami dito. Wala pa akong table, but I'm planning to put a small outdoor table para mapwesto namin. Kape, ganun. Anyway, kids are in the room. My wife is sleeping, so... But yeah, that's it. Well, yun. Pretty straightforward. Just want to show you my an update of my life. But yeah, that's the house. That's the update from my end. Wala kung may pakialam kayo, but I'm just sharing. But yeah, I guess when you're building a family, it's important to have your own place. Lalo na pag lumalaki na yung mga bata. Anyway, currently, the kids are on vacation. This is Kayla. If for sure, you always see the girl from all of my vlogs. Pamangkin siya ni wifey. No? So, summertime, she goes here. And every weekends of every day of our life, these three always go together. And yeah, they're going to the playground now. Lakad na. By the way, thank you sa 100 subscribers. I think it's 123 na. Salamat. At marami pa tayo papasyalang lugar. Panoorin nyo lang ako ng panoorin at mag-subscribe kayo. See you sa next vlog.